Hi, my name is Tybor. I'm really excited to be working with you this semester for your online biostats course. This is a great course. I love teaching this class, watching students as we go through this journey of looking at data and trying to find out how we see patterns in information. I've been teaching this course for a long time. I did my PhD at Tufts over 20 years ago, and I started teaching an intro to statistics course. And immediately I just loved it. I loved laying out the statistical theory and the probability theory. I love finding examples from the literature. I love seeing the types of biases that people have in the way that they present and interpret and explain information. I love teaching students skills. And that's the best part about this course is that you are going to learn a lot of skills. We're going to spend a lot of time thinking about how to do research and how to interpret research. And the first thing is like, what is a research question? What is a hypothesis? And you're going to learn how to develop good research hypotheses. We're going to spend a lot of time looking at data, and you're going to get skills on how to summarize data graphically, tabulated, with text. You're going to get skills on how to describe data, how to tell stories with numbers and with information. We're going to spend a lot of time giving you the skill of how to select the appropriate statistical test for a given research question that you're interested in, how to actually conduct that statistical test. We'll use a statistical program so that you can have a skill that allows you to analyze data. We're going to teach you how to understand the computer output, and most importantly, how to interpret it and explain it in nice, simple, concise, and complete English. I'm really excited to be working with you in this class and looking forward to the rest of the semester. Thank you.